Hi there. I'm Janet Chandler with the Cullman Tribune, and tonight I'm going to read you a bedtime story called Monkey Soup. This is by Louis Sachar, illustrations by Kat Bowman Smith. My daddy is sick in bed. He can blow his nose louder than anyone in the world. I wish I could blow my nose that loud. Mommy is making him chicken soup. She says that will make him feel better. I'm making him soup too. I put Band-Aids in my soup. Band-Aids always make me feel better. Mommy adds carrots to her soup. I add balloons to my soup. Balloons make me happy. When Daddy is sick, his face turns pale. He needs more color in his face. So I put crayons in the soup too. Monkey is helping me. Monkey says, ooh, ooh, ee, ah. Daddy taught him to say that. Monkey wants Daddy to feel better too. Daddy's door is closed, but I can still hear him sneeze. We'd better put tissues in the soup, Monkey. I'll put my blanket in the soup to keep Daddy warm. Grandma gave me this shirt. It has lots of buttons. The buttons will make the soup taste delicious. Bubbles make me laugh. Daddy blows big bubbles, and I try to pop them. Poor Daddy can't blow bubbles today. I'll pour them into the soup. I wash my hands before I eat. I brush my teeth after I eat. Daddy shouldn't get out of bed, so I'll put a bar of soap and my toothbrush in the soup. I put a napkin in the soup so in case it spills, it won't make a mess. What else? Monkey wants to go in the soup too. Mommy stirs her chicken soup with a big wooden spoon. I stir my monkey soup with my horse. I take it to Daddy. I hope he likes it. Have some monkey soup, Daddy. It's good for you. It will make you feel all better. Daddy likes it. Delicious, he says. I feel all better. Achoo! Bless you, Daddy. The end. I hope you have a good night and sweet dreams.